On Thursday, a victory celebration was organized through a rally under the initiative of Khedacherra Tipra Motha members. YTF district president and other members of Tipra Motha participated in this rally. The supporters of Tipra Motha are celebrating daily after the historic accord was signed. Likewise, on Thursday, after two MLAs of Tipra Motha was sworn in as a cabinet minister and state minister, a victory celebration was organized through rally under the initiative of Khedacherra Tipra Motha members. YTF district president and other members of Tipra Motha participated in this rally. A public meeting was held later after the rally in Khedacherra market.
Ake boro je noro boreli ke tomo somo yo noro ni khokse khokpi moro le tong de tong
Chini kuno chini ni somo yo khokse maro ko maro kuno chini aro krai kuchi ala no khai khaba khai no jong ba ni ro chini abo reli khai to na
Ake nung le boro je boreli phaimole ni khapang bai ke nu ham yo ya phaimode na hui to ba nung no din ni breha pal bai ke soi ti wi amode
ke bu ba ano Shotini but Padi Hibutu Buzagani Kabayang Hamzaki Bubagran Hamzaki Shantini Payora and Kaya Parina Hamzaki Bubagran Bagi Payang. Jung Tango, Patakotora Tangina, Payak, Abotobani Bagway.
Hambai. Nini Shinimunka?
Ani Shinimunkani Munkai, Rio, the Borma, and Khedacherra Tipra Motha.
Later, in the public meeting, a discussion program was held in the market premises. Reported by Virdo Kumar Riang from Kanchanpur, Chini, Khorang.